Welcome to the Spokane BBQ Company. My name is Randy Howell. Today we're going to be making a bacon, avocado bacon bomb, right? Avocado wrapped in ground beef, seasoned, wrapped in a bacon weave, stuffed with cheese in the middle. You're going to love this. Stick around. We'll be right back. Welcome back, folks. Thanks for sticking around with us. So here's how this is going to work. We're going to take our avocado, we're going to take the shell out of it, or take it out of the shell, and then we're going to split it, take the pit out, stuff it with cheese, put it back together, and then we're going to take our ground beef. This is 2 pounds of ground beef, and I'm just going to do a little Lipton onion soup mix. Mom used to do that when we were kids to flavor up our burgers, and it's going to be great. And then we're going to do our bacon weave. So we're going to wrap that around the beefy, avocado-y, bomby goodness. So let's get to work on this. Let's get our bacon weave going and get to cooking. So if you've never made a bacon weave, they're pretty easy to do. You just want to lay out your bacon. I don't know how far you want to go. Maybe 5 across. And then you just want to lay it on there and weave your bacon in and out just like this. Alright, so we've got our weave done. That was the hard part. Super easy though, nice to do. I'm going to blast open an avocado real quick. Just roll your knife around it like that. And give it a little twist. That's simple, right? A little bit of pit in there. Then get the pit out. Let's give it a little twist. And then half of it will come out. There we go. We want to take our spoon, just go around the outside. We're just going to peel that out of there. And you'll feel it start to squishing out. There you go. See how simple that is? And we'll do that to the other side. Super easy. Then we're going to fill these up with cheese. So first one we're going to do mozzarella. I'm just going to pack this in there as tightly as I can. Just like that. And if you're curious as to how much mozzarella cheese that is, it is equal to 1 string cheese. There you go. And that is scientific. Alright, so now we've got our avocado stuffed. We have our bacon weave done. Now we're going to move our bacon out of the way, and we're going to start mixing this all together. So this is my 2 pounds of ground beef. Sorry I don't have my gloves today, I ran out. Lucky for you, you're not eating. There we go. Beautifully done. Alright, so I'm going to put my avocado together. Just kind of squish it. It'll stay. It'll get there. Or maybe it won't. I'm going to grab some of this beef and I'm going to flatten it out. I'm going to encourage this avocado to stay together. Just like that. There we go. Now I'm going to seal this up. Just like that. So now my avocado is completely wrapped up in this seasoned beef. And now I'm going to take my bacon weave. Actually, I'm going to roll it towards me. So I'm going to grab all my parts and I'm just going to start weaving it, or I'm sorry, rolling it, just like that. And in true bomb fashion, I'm going to leave my ends hanging out, just like that. So maybe we'll make the next one a little shorter, but that's what we got for now. So the first one. We might even just trim these up. Actually, that's what I'll do. I'm going to trim this up just like this. And then as that bacon cooks, it'll tighten up around that bomb. And that's it. So I'm going to do a few more of these, actually 2 more of these, get it all done for you. And then we're going to put these on the grill. We're going to cook these about 350 on the Traeger, get a little bit of that wood fire flavor in there, and just watch this thing become awesome. We'll be back, folks. Thanks for sticking around. Hey folks, welcome back, and thank you for hanging out with us while we put these together. So I'm done. I got my 3 bombs going. Had a little bit of extra patty left, so or beef left, so I'm gonna make a little patty. And then of course you saw me cut these ends off. So Dave, camera guy, thinks we ought to just cook them up and snack on them. Who am I to disagree? Let's get to cooking. All right, we've got the Traeger heated up at 350 degrees. And we're just going to put these on there and just let them go. Oh, just like that. Oh, folks, it's already falling apart. Then we're just going to lay our patty on here. And then for Dave, we're going to lay the bacon out. Just to have some bacon nummies. Dave didn't think this through, so they're going to fall through the grate now. Thank you, Dave. Alright folks, there we go. So we have those all laid out in there. We're going to let them go. I think I'm going to give them about 30 minutes before I go back and check them at all and make sure that we're good with what we got. See if they need to go a little longer or if they're done. We'll see. We'll check. We'll look for the outside bacon to be crisp. That's one of the things we're looking for. And then that beef, I want it to be 150-ish. That way it's, I know it's done and everything. And hopefully that's enough heat on the inside to melt all that cheese, and I'm probably pretty sure it will be. As you can tell, I've never made one of these. But this was inspired by one of the guys on the Facebook page, the Facebook group, Spokane BBQ Company, Craig Stevens. He made one of these the other night, and then Jay, who you'll see on a different video, on our oyster video, he made one that same day and posted. They both posted them, so it was like I saw this and I was like, all right, I gotta make one of these. So it was inspired by those guys, Craig and Jay. Appreciate you guys adding stuff to the group. It's an awesome group. If you guys have ever considered wanting to join it, it's a good group of people that just love to cook and have fun. So anyway, check out that. So we're gonna let these cook. In the meantime, you folks go grab a beer, cocktail, whatever it is you want. We'll be right back. Hey folks, welcome back. So we've had these bombs on for about 45 minutes. I temped them. We're at about 130 on each of them. So these things are good to go. I'm going to pull them off, cut them open, and have some good eatings. All right, let's check them out. Oh, these are looking good. Oh, these look great. All right. So I'm going to start with my little one, and I'm just going to cut this right down the middle. Look at that. Oh, that looks good. Nice melty cream cheese in there. Avocado looks great. Woo. I didn't think this one through. Alright, we're going to get our trusty towel out here. Clean off our knife. You didn't see that. Alright. Let's cut this bomb open. I'm going to cut them this way, I think. Perfect. Let's do this one. Woo! That's nice. Probably a little longer on that. Probably could have got it a little hotter, just to get that cheese melty. Excuse me. Am I good? You wouldn't tell me anyway. Okay. So these look great. We're going to do some eating, folks. 130, 45 minutes was the temp we pulled these at. I might next time go a little bit longer, just to get that bacon a little bit crispier, maybe melted that cheese a little bit better. But this is what I came up with today, my first attempt. So I was pretty happy with it. I like it. I think we did well. This looks really good. I can't wait to get into this thing and start eating. So that's my big deal. Folks, thank you so much for joining us, for being a part of this adventure today. Comment down below. Love to hear what you guys have to say. If somebody's had better success with their avocado bombs, let me know. I'd really appreciate the intel. So until we see each other again, my friend, have a great night, and thank you.